Introducing 7711 Shannon Drive, Houston, located in an exclusive corner of Texas. Imagine your life in this elegant, single-family home, listed for a worthy price of $468,000. This tastefully appointed home boasts 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and a half bath spread across 2,169 square feet. It's not just about size, it is the charm and elegance that it carries, crafted in 2017 and still carrying the same fresh allure. Inside, luxurious features await: 10-foot ceilings, molding and tray ceilings throughout that add an elegant ambience. The kitchen is a culinary masterpiece with a spacious grand quartz island and a touchless kitchen faucet, a perfect setting for cooking and socializing. Look forward to a tranquil retreat in your large primary bathroom, featuring a large rain shower and a luxurious soaking tub for relaxation. Each bedroom is generously sized, with impressive closets and built-ins for extra storage. Enjoy cozy evenings in your backyard with pet-friendly amenities, all under the city's soft glow at 7711 Shannon Drive. This isn't just a home, it's a lifestyle. Start your Houston luxury living journey today. Contact us at teamhomehouzz.com. Let's do real estate together.